Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Arjun Mehta. I am a doctor, and I have been working in this profession for the last 15 years. Every day, I see life and death. Every day, I fight to save lives. Sometimes I succeed. Sometimes I fail. But no matter what happens, I keep going. Today, I want to take you through a day in my life. A day full of responsibilities, emotions, and challenges. If you like my story, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Now, let's begin. Morning. A new day, a new challenge. The alarm rings at 5:30 a.m. I wake up, but my body feels tired. Last night, I had an emergency case, and I hardly slept for 4 hours. But in my profession, rest is a luxury. I get up, splash cold water on my face, and look at myself in the mirror. My eyes are red. My face looks exhausted, but I don't have time to think about it. My patients are waiting for me. I quickly get ready, wear my white coat, pick up my stethoscope, and step outside. The morning air is fresh, but I don't have time to enjoy it. I drive to the hospital, preparing myself for another long day. As a doctor, I don't have a normal life. My day doesn't start with morning tea or a relaxed breakfast. My day starts with responsibility. By 7 a.m., I reach the hospital. The moment I enter, I hear the sound of beeping machines, patients calling for nurses, and doctors discussing cases. The hospital never sleeps. I start my rounds. I visit my patients, one by one. Some smile when they see me, some cry. Some look at me with hope. I check their reports, adjust their medications, and say words of encouragement. One patient holds my hand and asks, "Doctor, will I be okay?" I smile and say, "Yes, you will be fine. Just stay strong." But deep inside, I know, some of them will not survive. This is the hardest part of my job. I have to be strong for my patients, but sometimes I feel weak too. Emergency. A fight for life. At 1 p.m., I still haven't eaten anything. But suddenly, a nurse runs to me. "Doctor, emergency. A critical patient is arriving." I rushed to the emergency room. The doors burst open, and the paramedics bring in a man covered in blood. He was in a serious accident. His heart is beating, but very weakly. I quickly put on my gloves and mask. I shout, "Prepare for surgery, now." Inside the operation theater, everything is silent except for my voice and the sound of machines. My hands move fast, my eyes focus. There is no space for mistakes. One wrong move, and I will lose him. The surgery takes 3 hours. Sweat drips from my forehead. My legs are numb. But finally, the patient is stable. He will live. I step outside, and his family runs to me. "Doctor, is he okay?" I smile and say, "He is safe now." The mother starts crying. She touches my hands and says, "Thank you, doctor." You saved my son. At that moment, I forget my pain. I forget my hunger. This is why I became a doctor. Evening, no time for myself. By 8 p.m., I finally got a chance to eat. I sit down in the hospital cafeteria with a plate of food. But just as I take my first bite, my phone rings. Another emergency. I close my eyes and take a deep breath. Then, I stand up and walk back to the emergency room. Sometimes, I wonder, is this a life? Do I live for myself, or do I live for others? The answer is clear. I chose this life because I wanted to heal. I wanted to help. I wanted to give hope. Night, a doctor's thoughts. By 11:30 p.m., I finally reach home. I take off my coat, sit on my bed, and look at my hands. These hands save lives, but they are also tired. I close my eyes and whisper, "Why did I choose this life?" Then, I remember the little boy who smiled at me today. I remember the mother who blessed me. I remember the patients who call me their hope. And I know the answer. Tomorrow will be another long day. Another battle. But I am ready. Because I am a doctor. And this is my life.